welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. We must say that this title slide is a product of fiction. Any resemblance to persons, names, images, places and situation, it is completely confidential and not responding in fact. Any material is used for the needs of the presentation. Thank you. The topic of this presentation is about a clothing store. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area, we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide, so you can practice with us. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us, so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. The first thing we will do is color the background. Right click, format background. We choose from fill solid fill color with eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Then we want to insert an oval. We go to insert, shapes, we choose oval, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to height, shape format size height 19.05 centimeters. It's about 7.5 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 15 centimeters. It's about 5.9 inches if you have inches in your settings. Then we want to insert a rectangle. We go to insert, shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We want to unify the two shapes, so we click the shapes, both, click shift pressed click, and we go to shape format, union shapes. Now we have one shape. Shape outline, no outline. Then we color the union shape, click the shape, shape format, shape fill with eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Now we want to insert an oval shape, insert shapes, we choose oval, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We go to shape format, size 18.5 centimeters, it's about 7.28 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 15 centimeters, it's about 5.9 inches if you have inches in your settings. Then we go shape format, shape fill, eyedropper, we choose the color from the left side outside of the design area, shape outline, no outline, and we rotate it a little bit. Then we want to insert another oval shape, insert shapes, we choose oval, click in the design area, drag and release it. Shape format, size height 22 centimeters, it's about 80.66 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 18 centimeters, it's about 7.08 inches if you have inches in your settings. Shape format, shape outline, no outline. And we put it in the desired position. Now we want to insert the picture inside the last oval that we have created. We go to insert, picture, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert and click insert. Right click, cut. Choose the shape that we want to insert the image. Format shape, picture, texture fill, click clipboard. And then we go to picture format in the crop command to adjust the image inside the circle. and that's it. Now we will cut the parts from the shape we created that protrudes from the title slide to have a more professional result with subtract command. We go to insert a rectangle, insert shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it, right click copy, right click paste. We rotate the second rectangle and we put it in the desired position. We adjust the size. First we click the image, then we click with shift pressed the one rectangle, we go to shape format, subtract. Again, first we click the image, then the second rectangle, click subtract. But if nothing is visible when viewing the presentation, we wouldn't need to cut the protruding parts. Now we want to add the logo, the title and the website's name. We go to insert, we choose and click text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We go to home ribbon and choose a body font size 60. Color with eyedropper, we choose the color from the left side outside of the design area and we write our logo. Again we change the color. And we write the second word, center the text. And now we go to insert the title. Insert, click text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose a body font size 32 from the home ribbon. Color with eyedropper, the last color from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our title. Adjust the title. And now we want to insert the website's name. First we want to insert a rectangle, insert shapes, choose a rectangle, click inside the design area, drag and release it. Shape format, shape fill, choose with eyedropper the last color from left side outside of the design area, shape outline, no outline. We go to format shape, we choose and set the transparency at 50%. Right click, send to back. Now we want to write our website's name. We go to insert, we choose and click text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We go to the home ribbon, we choose Calibri font size 24, color with eyedropper, we choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our title, our website's name, www.wmnwear.com. Center the text and we are done. Of course, we can combine fonts on our slide as long as they match each other and give us a beautiful result. Now that we are done designing the title slide, we will put the animation. Before you start with animations, you should think in which order you want them to appear. Of course, if you change your mind, you can change the order from animation pane. We go first to the union shapes. We choose animation, entrance zoom, start with previews, duration 0.75, effect options, object center as it is. We go to the pink oval, entrance zoom, start after previous, duration 0.50, effect options, object center as it is. We go to the image, entrance zoom, start after previous, duration 0.75, effect options, object center as it is. We go to the logo, entrance wipe, start after previous, duration 1, effect options from top. We go to the title, entrance wipe, start after previous, duration 1, effect options from top as one object. We go to the website's frame, rectangle, entrance fly in, start after previous, duration 1, effect options from right. We go to the website's name, entrance fly in, start with previous, duration 1, effect options from right as one object. And now we go at the slideshow button to see the final result. Click the slideshow button. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!